All right, family, it's time for another update on this TLC Trading AI withdrawal issue. Yes, there is an issue. I'm going to talk about that in just a second. It's a lot of stuff we need to cover, but man, I want you guys to listen to this entire video and try to give you as much information as I know. Now, my name is Anthony Deloach, and on this channel, I share multiple plays and multiple ways for you to earn passive income through cryptocurrency and beyond. So if that's something that you're interested in, then I want you to go ahead and lock in with me. I want you to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time that I drop a new crypto investing review or tutorial. All right, guys, let's go ahead and get right into this thing. The other day, I just reported to you guys that TLC Trading AI was having a withdrawal issue. I broke down all the things that I knew about it at this time. Now, I have some new updates or some things that have been shared with me in my Telegram group that I think you guys should know about. Now, this is not official information from the company because the company has not released an official statement as of yet, which I think is a real problem because I think they should go ahead and release an official statement everywhere so people can really know what's going on if there's an issue, right? If there's not something crazy going on, if there's not any shenanigans going on, then they should be able to tell us what's happening. But let me update you guys on my withdrawals first, and then we're going to get into that information. All of my withdrawals have been canceled up till this date, right? And the withdrawal that I just recently did for $215 is not a lot of money, but a withdrawal that I just recently did is unconfirmed right now. And I want to see if this is actually going to be canceled. This was requested on the 31st. Let's see if this withdrawal is canceled before it is paid, right? So we're going to see what happened. I'll make sure that I update you guys on that and let you know what's going on, right? Now, let me address something really quick. You guys know I am quick to address anything that I see that's an issue. I've been in the TLC Trading AI community chat, and here's the thing that's a problem for me, right? I already showed you guys that they're deleting any messages that come through about withdrawals for the most part. If somebody's questioning the withdrawal, saying there's a withdrawal issue, asking about withdrawals, they're deleting it, right? But there's also other people that are going in to the chat and saying that there is not a withdrawal issue, right? And there's leaders I even see that go into the chat and they say there's not a withdrawal issue. Now, I understand that you are not having a withdrawal issue per se, but that does not mean that the company does not have a withdrawal issue. So just because somebody is expressing or asking a question about withdrawals, that's not a bad thing. They're not trying to disparage the company. We are not trying to do that. We're trying to get answers about why we are not getting withdrawals. I am one of those people who's been impacted and I am not receiving my withdrawals. And I would like some clarification on what's really happening. Now, I know that it affects you guys building because people are getting this information and this information is being put out there, but it's necessary that anybody that's getting involved with TLC Trading AI right now, they know what's really happening and what's really going on. Yes, companies face issues all the time, but the way a company handles the issue will let you know about the integrity of the company and what type of company you're really dealing with, right? So being forthcoming about information that's happening with withdrawals of people who trusted in the company to actually go and deposit their money, purchase packages, all of that type of stuff, that's only the right thing to do. Yes, we understand the risk in the space, right? I understand that there's risk that comes with everything. I understand that 100% risk. But here's the thing that I also understand. There is still a place for you to have integrity and do the right thing by the people who are participating with your platform. So with that being said, let's go into this update right now, right? So here's the update that was shared with me. Now, this is posted in another group, and then somebody shared it into my group. And I'm going to talk about this, and they said this is just some information. The programmer is working on integrating KYC into the back office. A contract must also be signed with the independent company that offers the KYC process. This can take about 1 to 2 days. All EU members are affected. Hold on. EU? I'm not. Right? That's not me. This is all EU members are affected. As soon as we have done the KYC, deposits and withdrawals will be made again. This issue is not only on the credit card integration, it is also based on the Hungarian government issue and how they are planning to change withdrawal crypto from USDT to USDC. All right, let's get this straight, right? First of all, I'm not Hungarian. I'm not in Hungary, right? I am not a part of that group. So here's my thing. It's not just affecting the Hungarian group. And there's people, if it's a KYC issue and if it's affecting everybody, then why are some people still getting withdrawals and why are some people not getting withdrawals? Second thing, the message that I actually got from the TLC support chat was that it may be an issue that is going on with the card integration of a new wallet. Right? That's what they said. But now we're seeing that there's legal issues. Now, I know this is not official from the company, but this is obviously from somebody, right? That is that's actually getting money, because this is when KYC is coming up, and they're trying to integrate KYC in the back office. Are you going to let the community know about that you're integrating KYC into the back office? When are you going to tell us about that? I haven't seen any messages about that, right? And a contract must also be signed with the independent company that offers the KYC process. Who's going to have to sign that? We need details. Is that the company going to have to sign that, right? Something with the independent company that's going to offer the KYC process. So the company had to do that, and do individuals have to go through KYC? Because we weren't made aware of that prior to this card coming up. Was the first time that we heard anything about KYC. What if I elect not to have the card? It was an option. Even with the card, there was an option to get the card without KYC or with KYC. And now they're talking about the change from withdrawing crypto in USDT to USDC. Now I understand that's for the Hungarian. That's for people who are from the Hungarian government and all that type of stuff. But I want to tell you guys that there's a lot of information that could be clarified by the company, but it's left up to assumption because the company is not providing that clarification that we need. They're not providing communication to the community to let us know what exactly is going on. It's been over a week now. And when I say over a week, I'm talking about it was last Tuesday since my withdrawals has started being canceled. Guys, it's Thursday of the next week, and they're still canceling withdrawals and not providing specific information, not from the company. The company hasn't provided us any information. They rather ignore the chats from people who are asking about withdrawals and say they're just causing problems, adding them to the block list. They're not trying to cause problems. They're trying to get resolutions. All right. So I wanted to give my little commentary on that. I know some people are not going to like this video, but it's cool. A lot of people don't like me anyway. Right? I'm glad that doesn't pay my bills. What I want you guys to understand is I'm here to provide the truth about the situation and provide some clarity about the situation, right? That's all I'm here. And every time that I get more information, I will let you guys know, right? I'll let you guys know about everything that I can, because that's what I'm here for, right? So, man, look, I'll be back very soon. Also, you guys got to tap in on live with me, because I'm talking about something very, very phenomenal, which is a lot different than this, right? Where you can earn passive income by creating your own brand by leveraging the power of YouTube, what you're watching me on right now, right? And I want to show you guys how to do that, because I think it's much more profitable once you understand the strategies that you could put in place to take yourself from relying on a company to pay you passive income to creating passive income through your own brand and your own business and helping other people and having an even greater impact. And I want to show you guys how to do this. Watch this video on the screen right now, because this video is going to take you a little bit further into how you do that. But definitely get my free gift, which I'm going to put in the description of this video. That's going to help you get a solid foundation on building your own brand that brings you passive income by leveraging the power of YouTube. Until the next video, I hope you guys have an absolutely phenomenal day, and I am out. Peace.